If you want a strong, lean, and muscular body, remember this. Your results come from 70% nutrition and 30% workout. You can't out-train a bad diet. If you eat junk, your body will reflect it. To build muscle and burn fat, focus on clean, high-protein foods like chicken, eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, and plant-based options. Include good carbs like oats, sweet potatoes, and brown rice. And don't forget healthy fats from almonds, olive oil, and avocados. Stay hydrated with 3 to 4 liters of water daily and avoid sugar, fried food, and soda. In the gym or at home, focus on compound exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks. Train at least 4 to 5 days a week and balance strength training with cardio. Always stretch, sleep well, and allow your body to recover because muscles grow when you rest. With discipline in the kitchen and consistency in your training, your dream body is within reach. Eat clean, train hard, recover well, and repeat. Let's go.